Okay, welcome to this video tutorial lesson on how to make an outline in Noodletools. An outline is very important when you're going to write a research paper or an essay because it makes it just a lot easier when it comes down to typing your paper up or writing it. So you can see here I'm on the Note Cards tab, and I have my note cards here on my tabletop. I have 2, 4, 7, 8. And you can see they're organized into piles already. So if you haven't seen Note Cards Part 2, that video lesson, you should watch that before watching this one. We're going to be focusing on the right side of the screen where it says outline. And yours probably looks just like mine. It probably has topic and subtopic with a Roman numeral 1 there and then capital A. This video is just going to show you some basics of how to use some of these controls up here, these buttons, and it's not going to go into great detail. Just try to keep it simple. So I'll probably do 2 videos on how to do an outline. The first thing I want you to do is on this A here to subtopic, click on it so that it's highlighted yellow like that. And I want you to go to this X. Let me zoom in so you can see that better. I want you to go to this X, and I want you to click on that. This will pop up, just hit yes. And so we deleted that we don't need it. So for Roman numeral 1 topic, let's go ahead and type in our topic here. So to do that, you have to not click it once, but you have to double click. And once you double click, it'll let you change the word. So mine is early humans. Yours is going to be different probably. So go ahead and put in yours and then come back and watch the video. After you type it in, you just could hit enter or just click off of the screen somewhere. I'm going to hit enter and you'll see it's highlighted there, yellow. Now another thing we want to know is we want to add levels, different levels. So an outline has different levels. This is the top level. So the next level we want to make sure this is highlighted and then click this plus sign. When we click this plus sign, it gives us another level. It gives us the A, which we deleted earlier. I'm actually not sure why we deleted it now. But anyway, what I want you to type in the A level is your main research question. So get that in there. For example, mine is how did early humans hunt? I'm gonna hit enter. So this is your main research question. Again, it's not foundation questions. It's your main research question. So once you have that in there, I want you to then add another level. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to put levels for our paragraphs. So what we do is we click this plus sign, and you can see it made another level with a number 1. And that's what we want for our paragraphs. And we're going to just name them very simply. The first one we're going to just say intro, INTRO, space paragraph. Hit enter. Now we want to put another paragraph. To do that, make sure this is highlighted yellow. Come up and click the plus sign. But watch what happens when we click the plus sign. Every time we click the plus sign, it's going to give us a different level. And we don't want a different level right now. We want the same level as this. So it should be a 2 here, not a lowercase a. So to do that, just simply click off. It's going to be highlighted. And you want to go up here to this button. There's the left arrow there. Just click on that. And you can see it has a 2 now, subtopic. So let's double click and change that subtopic to first body paragraph. So, oops, that's a D. First body paragraph. Just like that. I'm gonna hit enter. And now we got our first body paragraph in there. And while we're gonna do the same thing for our second body paragraph and our third body paragraph, and also our conclusion. So make sure it's highlighted. Again, click the plus sign. And again, it's gonna indent thinking that you want to make another level, but we don't. So I'm just gonna click off and then go back and click the left arrow button. It's gonna go back here like that. It's gonna give us 3. So this will be, double click, this will be our second body paragraph. That's 2ND, second body paragraph, hit enter. We want another one, so click again. Click off. We want the same level. Double click to change this name to third body paragraph. Hit enter. You can see where I'm going with this. And then finally, our last paragraph. Let's add another one. Click off, click left, double click. And this is going to be our conclusion. Now you can write conclusion, but I'm going to write concluding paragraph. So it's very clear to me that it's going to be a paragraph. Concluding paragraph. Hit enter. So there you have it. Now we have our paragraphs in here. So just to recap, we have our topic in here with the level Roman numeral I, or 1. Sorry, I keep saying I. We have capital A for our main research question. We have numbers 1 through 5 for our paragraphs. Intro paragraph, first body, second body, paragraph, third. And then on number 5, we have our concluding paragraph. So that's pretty much it for this part of the outline. On the next video, I'll show you how to put different levels and what each paragraph requires. So stay tuned for that. Until next time, everybody, take care of yourselves and each other.